Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the Geeks for Geeks problem of the day. So what's the today's problem? It says stock buy and sell, maximum one transaction allowed, and it's an easy level problem. So you're given an array prices of length n, which represents the prices of the stocks on different days. Okay. The task is to find the maximum profit possible by buying and selling the stocks on different days when at most one transaction is allowed. Here, one transaction means one buy and one sell. If it is not possible to make a profit, return 0. Stock must be bought before being sold. So, an array of prices is given to you, which tells you the prices of the stock on different days. So, on the 0th day, the price of the stock is 7. On the first day, it's 10. On the second day, it's 1. On the third day, it's 3, and so on. And you have to generate the maximum profit while only one transaction is allowed for you. Well, if only one transaction is allowed, we should buy the stock at the minimum price and we should sell it at the highest possible price. So you basically have to maximize the difference. If you buy the stock on the ith day, you buy it for prices of I. And if you sell the stock on the jth day, you sell it for prices of j. And the profit is going to be the selling price minus the buying price, which is prices of j minus prices of I. So we basically have to maximize the difference. We are focused on finding a day at which the price of this stock is the lowest so that we can buy on that particular day where the price is lowest. In order to keep a track of the lowest price, we will define a variable lowest. Okay, and let's initialize it with a very big number. Now as we move along our days, we need to update our lowest price, right? So the lowest price is going to be the minimum of lowest comma the price on the ith day, and we have to maximize our profit. So let our profit be stored in a variable called result, and let's initialize it with 0 because it is the minimum profit that we can acquire by just not buying or selling anything. Now if you sell it at the ith day, you're gonna sell it at prices of I. Yeah, that's your selling price. And what will your buying price? Your buying price will be the minimum price that has been there before it. Okay, so we have already stored that in our lowest, right? So our selling price is gonna be the prices of I, and the profit would be prices of I minus lowest, right? And we need to maximize that, so we will be storing that in a variable result and we will keep on maximizing it. And after we are done with the iteration, we will finally return result. That's how we're gonna code it up. Let's move on and code it up in real. So first of all, we're gonna start with declaring the size of the prices array. So int n equals prices size. Then we declare our lowest buying price, and we have to initialize it with a very big number. Okay, and this is our result. Now we start with day 0 and go to the n-1th day. We update our lowest buying price and we update our result if we are getting a higher profit. So the profit in here would be the selling price on that day, which is prices of day, okay, minus the lowest buying price till now, and this should be prices of day. And finally we return the result. Let's see and run. Okay, so it is giving us the correct output. Let's submit our code. As you can see, it got accepted. So that's it for today. Thank you.